What's up guys, Jay here, back with another video. Today I've got an unboxing of the iPhone 7, and I've already unboxed an iPhone 7, but to be honest with you, I think that one was pretty crappy. So here I am doing another one. So this box is the one Apple ships with through UPS, and it's this plain old brown cardboard box. And so let's just get right into it.
Dancing is what to do.
Let's just go ahead and open it up. So there's this piece of tape covering it right here, but I already cut that. And you open it up, the iPhone is just in this tray, in its box, sorry, with this cellophane covered on both sides. So you just want to get it out. It just comes right out, and so let's quickly go over the box of this phone. And as you do see, this is the rose gold iPhone, and the picture does show the back of the phone. On the bottom you do have a rose gold Apple logo. On this side you do have the word iPhone. 2 is in rose gold, but it doesn't say the iPhone 7 or any indication of the generation. On the top we do have a rose gold Apple logo. On this side we do have the word iPhone once again. And on the back, this is the 32GB variant, and then on the bottom we do have some of the barcodes for the specific phone. So let's go ahead and open the phone. Unlike previous generations of iPhone, this phone does actually have its own pull tab for the wrapper, instead of you having to take a knife and cut through. So let's just go ahead and peel the wrapper right off. And the box just comes out, and let's go ahead and take off the lid. And for some reason this box does come off more easily than the previous generations, whereas it would actually take time for it to lift off. And surprisingly, we don't have the phone on as soon as you open it up. So we do have our literature packet, which does say designed by Apple in California. We have our Welcome to iPhone guide, which tells us what each of the buttons do. We do have a SIM ejector tool, since this is a SIM-free iPhone. We have our iPhone user guide, as well as our white Apple stickers. And we do have our iPhone 7 resting in its tray with the pull tab. We have our 5-watt USB power adapter. Our lightning earpods, because this iPhone 7 does not have a headphone jack, and on the back it does have the lightning to 3.5mm headphone jack. And of course your lightning connector to charge and sync the phone. So taking a look around the phone, you do have your 7-megapixel FaceTime camera, your proximity sensor, the earpiece, which is also one of the stereo speakers, your Retina HD display, which is 4.7 inches, and has a pixel density of 326 pixels per inch. And you do have your home touchpad with 2nd generation Touch ID. And this is a touchpad because this is not a real moving home button, because it is a solid state button, and the taptic engine inside of the phone imitates a physical click. On the bottom of the phone you do have the microphone, your lightning port, and your stereo speaker. On this side you do have your vibrate switch, your volume up and volume down controls. On the top there's nothing, and on the back you do have your 12-megapixel camera with optical image stabilization, and it's also capable of recording at 4K at 30 frames a second. Your microphone, as well as your quad LED flash, which Apple claims is 50% brighter and goes 50% farther, your Apple logo, and your iPhone branding. On this side you do have your power button, as well as your nano SIM tray. So let's go ahead and power on the device. So let's hold the sleep wake button. So the hello screen is on. We're going to press the home button. And there's no SIM card in, because it is the SIM-free iPhone, so let's just press OK. English, United States. I'll go ahead and choose the Wi-Fi network. The phone does need a SIM card in order to be activated. And if you do look carefully, you can see the gasket for the waterproofing. Okay guys, moment of truth. Got the AT&T SIM card. I did have to cut this down because this was originally a micro SIM, So, moment of truth. Okay, this SIM didn't actually go in, so I did actually get it to fit, so moment of truth. SIM required. Try again. Okay, now it's with AT&T. Okay, I will enable. So that's interesting. It's not letting me skip this step, so I'll just go ahead and set it up. Okay, so now the Touch ID is set up complete. So I'll do a 4-digit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Use code 1, 2, 3, 4. Just a temporary password, guys. So I'll just go ahead and set this up as a new iPhone. Yeah, so I did go ahead and set it up as a new phone and enter the Apple ID. So let's just go ahead and agree to the terms and conditions. It's going to set up the Apple ID. It's updating the iCloud settings. And it's asking me if I want to set up Apple Pay, and I do not. So let's click next and set up later in wallet. And I do not want to use iCloud keychain right now. And I do want to use Siri. And you know, I'll just set up Hey Siri later. And I don't want to send diagnostics. And since this phone does have the home touchpad instead of the home button, it's asking us to set up the home button to the vibration that we'd like. So let's just get started. And it does go to the default as number 2. I can't describe the actual click feeling to you. But when you click 3, it feels like the whole phone is going down, and that's the click I like. So I'm just going to go ahead and click next. And I do not want display zoom. So I do not want it zoomed. Next. And welcome to iPhone. So let's just go ahead and get started. And that's it. So that's how easy it is to set up your iPhone 7. Let's go ahead and peel off the satisfying plastic. That's the best sound in the world. And go ahead and check out my speed test for the iPhone 7. You'll see how fast this thing is and how powerful it is. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.